Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John. Today, we're going to be going over the Loth and Found by KR Sabers. This is an absolute pleasure of a hilt. It is gorgeously engineered. There are all of the features you want, and this is just a fantastic hilt through and through. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alrighty, so this is the Loth and Found. This is by KR Sabers and Jimmy Saber Junk. This is such a great saber. Roy from Wanawanga also went in and did his thing to make sure that this was absolutely as close to what we saw on the screen as possible, scale-wise. I like to call him the Accusizer. Nothing to do with exercise, purely measuring and making sure things are accurate. So really, really great skill, and I'm glad that he put his 2 cents on this because it turned out awesome. Now, I have to admit, I was like, I don't know if I really like this saber. Like, it's not really that interesting at all. But, like, it has one super stupendous feature. This has the best quick connect system I've ever seen on the emitter. Now, it has a retention system, so you would unscrew right here below the emitter, which lowers this piece, and then you can just twist and unlock it. And this is steel and spring-loaded, and you just... It's so satisfying. Like, holy cow. Made you look 2 places. Anyways, like, how do you stop doing that? I don't know. You tell me. And then now, to prevent any kind of blade wobble, they added this feature that you just tighten this, you thread it up underneath, and then absolutely no wobble. And then to hide the blade retention screw, they're just mounted underneath this ring right here, which you can see. And the piece I was talking about rotating, I keep bumping my mic, I'm sorry. But you would lower that, which you can see the gap opened up right there, and now it's closed. So, super duper job. The engineering on this is stellar. I love it. This is a 7/8 blade holder, and then to gain access to the chassis, it's a 2-part chassis because there's a piece that stays up top, but then for the blade connector, but then, oh, this is already on. How about that? I was playing with it, I guess. I'll turn it off. You can just pretend it was off. Anyways, what was I saying? It's a 2-part chassis because a piece stays up there, and then for the emitter, and then the connectors here. So you've got the stock thin neck connector, 2 accent switches, high amp kill switch, 18650, Profi board, 2 tactile switches, and a 28mm bass speaker. This is a plunger system right here, so when you push on the PCB, it's actually dropping plungers and actuating these switches. So really cool. Turn this on.
757 here. Copy.
And this just lines up. You line up your switch section because these 4 screws, they are a track system for the chassis. So this only goes in one way. Like if you try to put it in that way, it won't work. So that goes in nice and smooth. Pommel goes on nice and smooth. There is a gorgeous alignment system for the whole thing. If you are interested in that, I will put the link to Jimmy Saberjunk's YouTube channel for his video, and you can see just how all this is clocked. Holy smokes, like everything was thought of. This is the best Ezra lightsaber from the Ahsoka show that I've seen. So, hands down, the best. Man. Stick a blade in it, right? Alright, so open that up. Gives you access, where's my Allen key? Gives you access to the 1.5mm Allen set screw. You can drop out your blade plug, which is absolutely gorgeous. Like, come on, man. It's awesome. And then grab my 7/8 blade. Well, everything's over here to my right. Stick that in. Keep some downward pressure on it. Tighten up your retention screw or screws. You can do both. I'll do both. Spin this back down. Doesn't have to be super tight. Bam. So the top of the PCB is power and the bottom is aux. Small switch, but really clever, very cool. Love it. And then if you really wanted, you could still, bam, still do that. If somebody's like, does it come off? And you're at a con and you've got a blade in, you can be like, sure does. You can show them that. Yeah. Fonts by Kyberphonic, as usual, just the best. And yeah, I mean, that really is the whole Saber, right? Like, super cool. And then the Eco version is just, this is all boxed out, so it's just all silver. You get the same look, but no crystals lighting up. But like, come on, the crystals are so cool. Well, I guess I should focus, right? Need 2 hands for that. So cool. When you're done, turn it off. You're good to store it. And that's it. Don't cross-thread your threads. You'll be okay. There you go. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome installs just like this guy here. There are definitely more coming that you're not going to want to miss, so make sure to like and subscribe. If you're looking for any install work, please check out my website. I have KR Sabers install services, ready to ship sabers, and also made to order product that you can find on sabersforever.com. If you can't find what you're looking for, please reach out to me at john@sabersforever.com, and I'd be more than happy to help answer any questions that you have. So until the next video, guys, may the Force be with you.